Hi, in this video we are going to be working on prime for the trombone, starting at measure 17 and taking it through measure 28. So I'm going to walk you through it. I'll play just a little bit of it and then I'll put it together. So starting at 17, we have a half note B flat to a half note F, both in first position. Then we go up to a G in fourth, and then down to an E flat in third, not very far. And then 19, we go back up to a quarter note G, then F, then the E flat is a half note tied to a quarter note. We hold that for 3 beats. So I'm going to do just that little bit. And make sure you get that movement in 19. So you're just moving like a scale, stepwise. Then on beat 2 of 20, there's a crash cymbal. Make sure you're not playing when that happens. Rest for 2 more beats, and then starting at 21, you are on a half note F, down to a half note B flat, both in first, then quarter note E flat in third, D in fourth, out to the C in sixth, and then come back up to an F. It's accented, so little extra sound, volume, weight, emphasis, all of that. F, staccato eighth notes, E flat third, D fourth, accented C in sixth, accented E flat in third, come back up to a dotted half note F, and then I would breathe after that dotted half note to take the quarter note F that's accented into the low B flat. You hold this B flat here for 7 counts, 4 beats here, 3 beats here, breathe, and then do that again, but softly, piano. So I'm going to start at 21 and just play through this dotted half note. And then I would breathe and do the next F. Okay, so I'm going to start at 17. My metronome is set for 151 beats per minute. That's a lot faster than what I just demonstrated. So you've got to be ready to move. So here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And that's all we're going to do in this video. I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you next time.